Hey, what's up friends? My name is Eric and welcome to a DaVinci Resolve Studio tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to change the timeline frame rate of your timeline. Let's get started. Alright, so I've got a project set up here in DaVinci Resolve, and just to show you guys, in the project settings, you can see that the timeline frame rate here is stuck at 24 frames per second. The video clip is 2560 by 1440 at 60 FPS, which is kind of what I want to have as my final export. You can also see from here that the timeline 1, which is where this clip is in, is at 24 FPS. So if you are in a similar situation like I am right now, then what you can do is simply have your timeline open here, go up to File, New Timeline, and this is the important bit, uncheck Use Project Settings. It should open up this section here, go on the Format, and set the timeline frame rate to match the footage, so in my case 60 FPS, and press Create. Now it creates a new timeline, timeline 2, and you can see here that it is 60 FPS now. And now if you've done some work on your previous timeline and then realize that you have to convert everything over, just go back to the timeline 1, select everything, or Control A or Command A on a Mac on your keyboard, and then Control C or Command C to copy, and then go back to timeline 2, the new one, and paste everything in there by Control V or Command V. And now if you render this out, so export it, you can see that the frame rate is at 60 FPS, and that's all good. And that is it for today's tutorial. Click the like button if you enjoyed it, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Cheers!